lost a lot and learned a lot, but I'm still undefeated like Sousa. So I'm far from cheap. I break down copies of all my peeps. Baby, we can travel the world and I can give you and all you can see. Time is money. Only difference is I own it. Like a stopwatch, let's stop time and enjoy this moment, darling.
Feel this moment, oh, I just wanna feel this moment, oh, I just wanna feel this moment. Hey, go, one more time.
Hold hands, hold hands. Alright, once again, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga
Naman natin ang ating mga flashbacks daw.
Oo, ayan siya little kids, listen. Ayan, listen lahat kay Kuya Russell ha. When the music start, you will pass the lunchbox in your next friends or next person. And when the music stops and who holds the lunchbox is out of the game or eliminated. Siya yung huling matitira, Kuya Mark, siya po ang ating magiging winner of the game.
Yeah, so,
And once again, kapag nagsimula tumugtog yung music, you need to pass the lunchbox sa katabi nyo. And siya rin ang yung Mark, once again, kapag nag-stop yung music and who holds the lunchbox is out of the game or eliminated. Ayan, Kuya.
Ang dapat na natin this time, may cake prices na bibigay si Kuya Russell.
Okay. Ay, parang nakakita sa
Kids?
wait lang. Ayan, wait lang daw. Ayan, kuya, when we say go, you will pass the lunchbox, okay? Ayan, Kao-chan! Pass the lunchbox. In 3, 2, 1, go! O, pass lang. Pass lang, ate. O, pass lang. Faster!
Mabilis ka, mas mabilis, mas mabilis.
Yes! Mas mabilis! O,
Go, mabilis.
go! Go! Baby girl! Ay! O, siya! O, ikaw na! Ay, thank you po, kuya. Yung take your seat.
O, ayan. Ay, upo ka na, kuya.
Ayan. Pinulog niya, Kuya Mark. Siyempre, thank you po. Ate, you don't take your seat. Ayan, ako na lang kayo.
Let's go.
Alright, Kao-chan, go! Oh, hold and pass. Ay! Oh, hindi natin tinagam, Kuya Mark. Siyempre, thank you po.
Thank you. Ayan na lang, take your seat. Ano pa sa
Ayan, thank you po.
Grabe, grabe yung intense ng laba.
Ayan. Let's go. Alright.
Let's go.
Kao-chan, go!
Conhece.
Professora, que conta é essa?
20 mais 20, mais 20, mais 7. Aí é muito fácil, professor é 6, 7. 20 mais 20, mais 20, mais 7. Aí é...
Fica sem você.
Viral reaching around the world. Request na Kuya Mark. Tawag din natin siya bilang isa. Purple Friends. Kaya naman, what are we waiting for? Sabay-sabay tayo mag-countdown in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Please welcome. 3, 9. Sorry, please meet our PD crew.
Yeah.
Oh, ayan. Oh, ayan. Go back your proper seat na muna. Oh, go back your proper seat na. Hello. Oh, ayun siya. Ganda Kuya Mark. Mukhang merong hinandang performance sa atin si Green Mix. At talagang pinagbuyakan at talagang pinaghandaan na to para sa atin. Kaya naman now, Green Mix. Ayan, kids, everyone. Yung louder, mas louder. Once again, gusto nyo bang makita mag-perform?
Ang lakas ng dating, ang lakas ng dating, ang lakas ng dating. Sino siya ang nakita, tumigil ang gigil ang galit mo, galaw na gusto ko. Sige, igiling mo ang hihinto. Dali mo, sayaw na gusto ko. Baby, igiling mo ang hihinto.
It's the genius of Got me by you, open like a clothespin. I make your breath stand up, I make your arms sweat. I get just give me,
Alright, welcome po natin si Greenie May. So, okay naman ito once again. For all the parents po and kids, pila po tayo dito at magpapapicture po tayo kay Greenie. Yes, for all the parents po. Kasama po yung mga kids po natin. Ayan kids, pila muna. Pila muna, full line. Doon. Doon lang po, pila po, and isa-isa po tayo magpipicture po. Ayan. Ayan to all the parents po, pa-assist po ng mga kids po nila. Pila po tayo lahat dito. Ayan natin. Face the camera lang kids. Face the camera. Face the camera. Yes, listen. Face the camera. Okay, face the camera and 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright, syempre na po yung mga kids. Time to say goodbye na kay Greenies. Dahil baka tinatawag na siya ni Ronald. Okay, isa pa daw. Hi, Greenies, and thank you for coming. Alright, syempre na po yung Mort. Magpapasin na po tayo sa ating KDQ graduation, which is ipapamigay na natin ang ating KDQ certificate.
Hindi, yung isa.